You have a restraining order for 3 years.
Yes.
I've read some of these emails. It's all crazy. Your next step should be with some sort of a mental health expert. He doesn't want anything to do with you anymore.
Exactly.
Rebecca Albrader is suing her ex-boyfriend, Thomas Kidd, for stolen property and damages from an assault.
Court come to order. All rise.
Have a seat, please.
Judge, case 4019, Albrader versus Kidd.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ms. Albrader, this is not such a difficult situation. You have 2 causes of action against Mr. Kidd, who you were involved with in a romantic relationship for a short time. It is your claim that he has a piece of property that belongs to you, which is an old mattress that you didn't purchase, that you put in his apartment because you slept over there a lot. You maintained your own apartment or your own home. According to your complaint, when you were involved in the relationship, he gave you a key to the apartment, so you had access to it, but you spent a lot of nights there. Weren't happy with his mattress, so you gave him an old one. And you gave him this mattress when?
I believe it would have been 2 days before June 6th, so it would have been June 4th, about...
Of this year?
Yes.
Okay. And was there a conversation about the mattress when you brought it over to the apartment? Was there a mattress already there?
Yes, my daughter...
Just a second.
Sorry.
Was there a mattress already at his apartment?
No.
There wasn't?
No.
So what were you sleeping on?
Well, Your Honor...
No, look at me.
Yes.
You were sleeping over at his place. You had a key. My question is, what were you sleeping on when you slept there before June 4th?
Nothing. My daughter's twin mattress that she had lent him as well, because he did not have a bed when he moved in.
Okay. So when he moved in, and what year was that?
That was this year.
2024. Your daughter gave him a mattress, and it was a twin mattress.
Yes.
Okay, that she wasn't using anymore.
No, she had never really used it.
Well,
it was just in storage. Sorry.
In any event, that was a twin mattress. This was a larger mattress, is that right? That could accommodate you?
Yes.
Okay. And it was an old mattress. You paid nothing for it. That's a question.
Yes.
You paid nothing for it.
No.
Just brought it over there. Yeah, forget about the mattress. We're done with the mattress. I don't deal with old, stained, disgusting mattresses. You know, get real. Okay. Now you had an incident with him where you alleged that you were assaulted. And on what date was that?
It was on June 6th.
And how long before June 6th that you had a key to the apartment?
Since February.
Okay.
Your Honor, it was actually... Sorry.
Now, on June 6th, I want you to tell me about the assault, and I'll take a look at any medical records that you have or photographs.
All right.
Go.
On June 6th, I woke up and decided to clean Tommy's apartment.
You woke up, just a second. You woke up in your house?
I woke up in his house.
Okay, so you had slept over the night before?
Yes.
So you slept there on the 5th. Had you slept there on the 4th as well?
Yes.
With the new mattress?
Yes.
And you decided to clean the apartment. He was where? At work?
Yes.
Do you work?
I did work.
Did you work on the June 6th?
Yes.
You
7
decided,
p.m.
What?
7 p.m.
So you decided to clean his apartment?
Yes.
And what did you do?
I cleaned his apartment. While I was cleaning, I noticed that there was a camera.
Don't read anything.
I noticed that there was a camera propped up on the next to the bed, and
that you would never notice before?
No, it was there just...
What kind of camera?
Just a small camera that was placed right beside the bed.
I mean, on the floor, on a nightstand?
On a nightstand.
And he wasn't home at the time?
No.
Okay, so what happened next?
I covered it with a cup because I didn't know if it was recording without my consent.
Why don't you just unplug it? Look at me. You covered it with a cup?
Yes, because I didn't want to touch his property.
You were cleaning his house?
I was cleaning his house.
That's touching his property. Taking a cup and putting it over a camera is touching his property. Not only the cup, but the camera. Okay? I'm just not following you, so it's not making sense to me. Do you understand what I'm saying to you?
I would clean up the household items. I didn't know if I was allowed to touch that. The cup was mine. I placed it right there just so that it would block the camera.
How was the cup yours? Where did you bring it from?
From my house.
So you brought, in addition to the mattress, you bought dishes?
Yes. Towels.
This is getting better. This is getting better all the time. All right, so you covered You covered the camera with a cup. And then, come on.
Continued cleaning.
And you cleaned. And then?
And then he had texted me, and I had texted him, let him know that I was cleaning his apartment.
Can I see the texts?
I don't have that, Your Honor.
Why?
My phone was put into evidence, and he had lent me that phone, and this one that I have is my old one.
Where?
With the police.
Okay. And did that have to do with the restraining order that he filed against you?
My phone was put into evidence.
Where?
With the police.
Okay. And did that have to do with the restraining order that he filed against you?
Yes.
Okay. When did he file a restraining order against you?
You would have to ask him.
It was after June 6th.
Yes.
Because he has a counterclaim. I'm going to get back to June 6th. I have to do this in a different kind of an orderly fashion. I can see that. Okay. So you texted each other back and forth, and at some point he came home from work.
Yes.
And you were there.
Yes.
Approximately what time?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I was not there. He had asked me to leave because he was upset.
Okay. Because you touched his camera.
No, because he didn't like the excessive text messages that were going on.
Do you have the text messages?
Yes, I do.
I'd like to see
I can
them.
bring those up.
I'd like to see them.
They're just a mix of, in there, you'll have to just scroll through those.
This is on June 6th.
Yes, this is the 6th.
Are you the green?
He's green.
He's green. He says, go home. And you say, I love you, Tommy. Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
So you say, I love you, Tommy. It's not safe for me at my house. I've got psychopaths and sex offenders next door that are becoming less and less intimidated by me. I need my crew to pull up, my one and only.
Which is Tommy.
Shh. Sorry. And he keeps telling you, you're writing Tim, and he says to you, just go home, Rebecca. Right?
Yes.
Just go home. You write, and this is all crazy. You understand, but your writing to him is all crazy. You do understand that.
Yes.
It's all crazy. And he's just saying to you, go home. Out of my apartment, go home. Are you home? Okay, I got it. Okay, now, did you go home?
Yes.
Okay. Did you come back?
Yes.
Okay. Went home at what time?
I'd say about 2
Okay. And when did you come back?
after he got off work.
What time did you?
4:30.
4:30. And you had to be at work at?
7.
7. Did you go to work at 7?
Yes.
Okay. And when you went to work at 7, was that before or after you went to a doctor?
Before.
When did you go to a doctor?
On July 19th.
On July 19th.
Yes.
This happened June 6th. Okay.
Yes.
So I'm not interested in your July 19th. When did he file a restraining order against you?
I'd say about June 30th.
Okay. So on June 30th, he filed a restraining because you were harassing him. And you clearly were harassing him because you had a trial on the restraining order, did you not?
Yes.
And after the trial on the restraining order, and you did in fact testify, and what I gather from you, am I correct? At that trial, they took your phone in evidence.
Yes.
And the judge, after the trial, granted him a restraining order for 3 years.
Yes.
It was not a mutual restraining order. It was granting his restraining order against you to leave him alone.
Yes.
Good. So what do you want? You had an opportunity when you had that trial to bring up any alleged assault that he committed on you months before. You had an opportunity to do that. Either one of two things happened. Either you didn't, or you did raise it and the judge dismissed it. Which one was it? Did you raise it?
Yes.
So the judge heard your facts.
Yes.
And the judge did not grant you a restraining order.
No.
Yeah, me neither. Okay. Do you sleep on this mattress?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Is my question. Listen to me, Mr. Kidd.
Yes.
What do you do for a living?
I'm in construction. I'm a carpenter.
You make a living?
Yes.
I would get a new mattress. What you want to do is when you're dealing with somebody who clearly from this and I don't know what else, you want to have no reason for her to have any connection to you. Do you understand?
Yes.
You've been through a legal process with her. She's supposed to have no contact with you. Get a new mattress. When are you going to do that?
Tomorrow.
Perfect. He's putting the mattress out. You have an apartment, a house, whatever?
It's apartment, yes.
Apartment. Is there a place where you can put the mattress out on the street to be picked up?
Yes.
Fine. Today is Friday. I assume you will have a mattress by Monday.
Yes.
Great. On Sunday, he is putting out the mattress in the street. If you want it, get a mover and come and get it. If you don't want it, leave it. What?
It is not just a mattress. It is a Serta Perfect Sleeper. It is a $5,000 bed.
I don't care.
Okay.
He's putting it out. He's putting it out. If you want it, go get it,
Thank you.
right?
Yes.
But you have to go with a police officer. Escort. If you can't get a police officer escort, you can't go, the mattress is gone. Do you understand?
Yes.
If you can get a police escort with you and you want the mattress, get it. Right?
Yes.
Sunday. Now you have an order to leave him alone. So that's your case. You have a restraining order for 3 years. It was issued when?
That was issued, the temporary restraining order was issued on the 26th.
No, final order of protection.
The final order was issued July 17th.
And what I want to know from you is, because you have a counterclaim, after July 17th, did the plaintiff have any communication with either you or with anybody that you know that you can prove?
Yes, my employer
May I see what communication she had with your employer?
and my probation
After?
officer, yes.
After July 17th, show me. May I see what communication she had with your employer?
And my probation
After?
officer, yes.
After July 17th, show me.
That's with my probation. This
It's
one.
not after July 17th.
No, this was the,
After July
Yeah.
17th. I don't want to hear anything. Right now, I'm thinking my own thoughts. Just show me communication that she had after July 17th. You understand that that's not permitted.
yes.
Fine. This is Wednesday, July 17th in the morning. And this must have been before then the order of protection was granted. Did you have your hearing on July 17th?
Yes.
Okay, so this message was sent before you were given a protective order. This was at 9:59 in the morning.
Yes.
Okay, let's see. What do we have here? This is June 26th. So this is, whatever it is, it's June 26th. June 26th, June 25th.
There was a temporary order on the 26th.
I
that was
understand
issued.
that. Temporary order was an ex parte order, which means you went by yourself. She wasn't there.
Yes.
Right. Okay. I got it. And when you had your hearing, sir, you gave these to the judge. That would, from the 26th.
From the 26th, no.
You didn't give these to the judge when you had the hearing on July 17th? You had to have. They formed part of your complaint for harassment. These were emails that she sent to your probation officer on June 26th.
I did not receive those from my probation officer.
Well, how'd you get them now?
It was after I received my protective order.
I know you received your protective order afterwards, but you had to have evidence to get your protective order. I'm asking you, did you in fact introduce these emails that she sent in June when you had your trial?
No, I did not.
Have you seen your probation officer since?
Yes.
Okay, your probation officer knows that she has a problem?
Yes, my probation officer also has a protective order against her.
Okay.
Your Honor,
What?
a stalking injunction was issued.
What?
A stalking injunction was issued and it was unserved.
I've read some of these emails. Your next step should be with some sort of a mental health expert. That's your next step. Help yourself. Appear to be an intelligent young woman. That's your next step. He doesn't want anything to do with you any more.
Your Honor,
What?
I have 4 psychiatrists now, 3 psychologists, including one from my former employer.
Okay, great. Good. I hope it all helps you. Your case is dismissed. Sir, the court handled your problem by granting you a protective order on the 17th. Should she violate that order by contacting you, or I'm sure the judge will expand that order of protection if you request it, or to your parole officer or anyone else, and I'm sure that you can get it modified if it doesn't already exist that way. I cannot order it.
Yeah.
But the judge can order it, right? And unless she gets this fixation out of her mind, I don't know what's happened since June 17th, but the mattress is going to make any connection go away.
Yes.
You see, somebody with this kind of thing doesn't want to think of you sleeping on a mattress that she provided to you with anybody else.
Exactly.
I can actually understand that. It's the way a woman feels. You know, man may not feel that way. It's a mattress, it's a mattress. Who cares who's on it? But a woman, especially someone who might be slightly unbalanced, can't live with that. So it would have been smarter for you to give her the mattress back as soon as she asked you for it. What do you want?
The imbalance started after June 6th, after I was assaulted at his place.
I don't believe that. Neither did the other judge. Your case is dismissed. We're done. Thank you very much.
This court is adjourned.
I'm very happy about it, and I feel like that was the right choice. She is a very wise judge.
I think it was pretty fair. I kind of maybe thought maybe there was going to be a different judgment on my side, but it is what it is.
Beauty fades, dumb is forever, so I accept it.
I think it was just to try to just get back something she didn't want me to have.
Well, time to move on.
Well, I mean, she was trespassed off the property. So, I mean, the officers, law enforcement didn't find any reason to charge me with anything as far as assault. It was nothing like that at all.
And I really hope that he stays away from me and my family.
You know, there's a pretty large part of me that feels like the plaintiff only brought this suit to see him again. I mean, I understood your point and her main claim about the mattress, and I could understand being a little bit ticked off that your ex-boyfriend is sleeping on this mattress that you brought. But at the end of the day, I think your ruling was right. She paid nothing for it. She did nothing for it. It's not like she had a new receipt for it. We don't deal in old mattresses.
Yeah.
But I do have a legal question about the dates that you were asking him about, the communications between her and the parole officer. I understand that the temporary order of protection is an ex parte, meaning that only he showed up and filed for it and she was not present. However, why be so stringent with the dates on the communication? Because that order is just as valid as the final order of protection. She can't violate, even though it was an ex parte temporary, she still can't violate it. So I just didn't know why you were only concerned with the dates after the permanent.
I'll tell you why. Mm-hmm. Because it's a question of notice.
Okay.
She wasn't on notice that any order existed that was signed by a court that she had to stay away from him, stop harassing him. Giving her the benefit of the doubt that she had no notice, she certainly did have notice by the 17th that there was a final order. She was told by a judge, don't have anything to do with him. She had a full hearing. The court even took her phone. So she clearly has another phone, which is why his phone was important. So when you have a temporary order of protection, the defendant or the respondent in the temporary order of protection has to be on notice that it exists before they can be found to have violated it.
Okay, but as long as that proof exists, I just want to make it clear to everyone out there that you still have to follow the order of a temporary order of protection once you're served with it.
Once you're served.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Good day to you all. Today, I would like to share a brief overview and key takeaways from a notable legal case featured on the show Judy Justice. The case involves a dispute between a former couple. The plaintiff, a woman, brought a lawsuit against her ex-boyfriend to recover a used mattress and claimed damages for an alleged assault. However, during the hearing, important facts came to light. Following their breakup, the ex-boyfriend had actually obtained a 3-year restraining order against her due to continuous unwanted messages and harassment. When Judge Judy examined the details, she found the assault claim to be baseless, as it had already been dismissed in a prior court hearing. Recognizing that the lawsuit might simply be an excuse for the woman to maintain contact with her ex-partner, Judge Judy offered a practical resolution. First, she dismissed the monetary claim for the used mattress, instructing the defendant to put it outside and allowing the plaintiff to retrieve it only with a police escort to prevent further conflict. Second, emphasizing the importance of mental well-being, the judge advised the plaintiff to seek guidance from a mental health professional rather than pursuing unnecessary legal battles. Key takeaways from this case. Respecting legal boundaries. Once a court issues a restraining or protective order, honoring those boundaries is essential. Mental health awareness. Emotional distress following a breakup should be addressed through professional support and counseling, not through misuse of the legal system. Moving on. Practicality and emotional well-being must prevail over holdovers from past relationships. Thank you all for your time and attention.